Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a lip combo. So I'm doing my makeup and I'm like, let me just do this lip combo. I got a new lipstick, why not try it out? So if you guys are interested in seeing a new lip combo, stay tuned.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really just throw you out.
I recently picked up this lipstick. It is from the brand KimChi. It's called the Marshmallow Butter Lippy in the shade 19. I seen it on TikTok and then I went and got mine at a JCPenney. If you guys don't know, JCPenney Beauty, they sell KimChi in stores. So if you ever want to get KimChi products or try them out, go into JCPenney. They sell them in JCPenney. So I got mine at a JCPenney. It's the Marshmallow Lippy. This is the packaging. KimChi. So pretty. So pretty. Marshmallow Butter Lippy. And you press the top. Hold on, let me show you guys. You press this. Hold on, look. You guys see how I just flew out? I didn't mean for it to fly out, but it's so cute. You press the top like this. You press this right here, and it's gonna fly right out into your hand. And this is what it looks like. It has KimChi engraved into it. Let's see. It says KimChi in it. And it's like this pretty pink. Let me do a swatch. I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand. You guys see it? See right there? I'm gonna do my lips. Let me get closer. Let me set up. My lips are clear. Yeah, they're free from any makeup. So I'm gonna go on with the lip pencil. This is in Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Eyeliner and it's in the shade brown. Can't go wrong. I'm gonna lightly line my lips. I have full lips. So with that being said, I don't like overline my lips to make them look fuller or anything like that. I'm just gonna mush this in. So hold on, I got a bag of brushes. I'm gonna take this brush, like a concealer brush, take it and lightly buff out the edges. And the reason I do this is because that the liner is not so harsh. If that makes any sense. And then the middle should be pink, right? Now, this is when you open your lipstick, roll it up, and you're gonna put it in the middle. Like that, and then blend it out in the middle. Cute, right? I'm gonna go on now with this clear lip gloss. This is the Ruby Kisses Lip Oil Intense, and go in the middle. Cute, right? And that's it. Cute, right? I don't know where to look. I'm just cockeyed. I'm just looking in the middle. Cute. And then if you want to be extra, you use Fortune Cookie by NYX or NYX, whatever y'all want to call it. I call it NYX though. That's the finished product after I added the Fortune Cookie, but you guys don't have to. This is what it looks like. This is it. So yeah, that's the lip combo. So you guys know the drill. Brown lip liner. You guys need to try this. I like this. I seen it on TikTok and then I went right to JC. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this and you guys are interested in any KimChi products, go to JCPenney. JCPenney Beauty, they have it. So yeah, this is really cute. I do think it retails for about $12. If you use the cash pass at JCPenney, it takes like $10 off. So this can go down from like $12, I believe, to like $2. So that's why I recommend y'all going to JCPenney. Don't ever say I didn't tell y'all nothing. But yeah, this is cute. I like this. KimChi products is my favorite. Love KimChi. I have reviews on my channel of their products, so I love their powders. I like their setting sprays. I like KimChi. KimChi does good, and I like the lipstick, and I love the packaging. One thing KimChi is gonna do is slay the packaging. I love some KimChi packaging. Whoever's on that team, they're doing a good job. This is really different. I've never seen this type of packaging where you click the top and a lipstick pops out. I've never seen this before. I don't know, maybe because I'm new to the makeup game. I'm only 2 years in, and some people's like 20 years in, but I've never seen that in my 2 years of doing makeup. But yeah, KimChi packaging slay. Love this, love this. So yeah, this is in the shade 0419. Yeah, this is the Marshmallow Butter Lippy. This is in the shade 19. I love it. I love the packaging. This is what it looks like. Very cute, not chalky, pretty. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go get you some, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.